Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to create conversational pop-ups with Octane AI. So to create conversational pop-ups with Octane AI, you'll use the Shop Quiz tool to build a quiz, then add it to a pop-up that can collect marketing data and offer personalized recommendations. These pop-ups can be used to gather email and SMS opt-ins and even trigger discount codes. So create a quiz. Go to the Shop Quiz section in your Octane AI dashboard and create a new quiz. Include questions, opt-in pages, and product recommendations. Add the quiz to a pop-up. Publish the quiz, then integrate it into a pop-up. You can choose between welcome or exit intent pop-ups. And customize the pop-up. Opt-in channels. Choose whether to collect emails or SMS or remove the opt-in entirely. Behavior. Set up what happens after a user submits the pop-up, such as opening a custom URL. Design. Customize the appearance of your pop-up, including fonts and design elements. Targeting. Customize when and where the pop-up appears using targeting settings. And publish. Launch your pop quiz. That's it. Thanks for watching.